Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. And others legend accept my greeting and sincere love from core of my heart. This MD server from my mission division and sub-district Fulpur. Yeah, once again, before you. Yeah, dear brother Rofik, won't you meet with the Saiful brothers? Yeah, I will meet with the Saiful brothers today. But when you will go, but how you will go? Yes, I will meet with him evening time. And you will go on foot or by rickshaw? No, bro. Do you know behind a bicycle? Yeah, I will go bicycle. Do you know how to drive bicycle? Yes, definitely. Why not? I know how to drive a bicycle. That's why I'm showing you, and I will go evening time with this bicycle. Yeah, please take care, and you have to reach this place right time. Definitely, I will reach that place right time. Please pray for me. If Almighty want, I will talk with you at night. All the best.